Hi ma'am! For today's vlog po, I'm going to show you Pampanga. Hi ma'am! So this is Pampanga, a province in the Philippines, northwest of Manila. Ngayong Filipino, a cultural theme park in Clark Freeport, has replicas of major national sites. Animatronic dinosaurs roam at the Dinosaurs Island nearby. A mountain trail that leads to the streams of Miami Falls. To further west, a turquoise lake fills Mount Pinatubo's volcanic crater. In Angeles, the Museo ng Angeles documents the area's history. What is Pampanga best known for? Pampanga is known for its delicious and heavenly dishes from sisig and tocino to the best halo-halo, hence its name as the culinary capital of the Philippines. Do you know why Pampanga is called the culinary capital of the Philippines? Because the province is blessed with the great cooks which are trained by the Spaniards during the colonial period. And not only that, Pampanga has the best festivals, and they are the Sinukwan Festival, Giant Lantern Festival, Philippine International Hot Air Balloon Fiesta, Makatapak Festival, Frog Festival, and Duman Festival, and also Dukit Festival, and so on. Well, if I'm going to ask by one of you, which festival would I like? I choose the Giant Lantern Festival. It is an annual festival held in mid-December in the city of San Fernando in the Philippines. The festival features a competition of giant parol lanterns. Because of the popularity of the festival, the city has been nicknamed the Christmas capital of the Philippines. The festival celebrates Christmas spirit by making different large and giant lanterns designed with different colors and lights. And it has a message of light and hope and really remains the same. Well, it's not too late to visit Pampanga and visit their tourist attractions, try their foods, and join their festivals. We'll just have to wait. We need our patience right now because there is a virus that's going on and we'll just have to wait. And just, these guys, keep safe and healthy. Wear your mask and do personal hygiene. Thank you. This is our vlog, this is Pampanga. Thank you for watching. Heart.